Hello, a superb Sunday morning to you all. We hope like by the task of yesterday, you got a grip on inventors and inventions, right? Even today we are going to have a special topic on GK which we are going to give you. Before giving you the topic, I would like to reveal a very interesting announcement. What is that in the sense? As soon as possible, we are going to have a live YouTube quiz competition. Yes, in which you can also participate. You can even test your GK knowledge which you have. Even I am going to announce the result on the spot about the winners of GK YouTube live quiz. So, why wait? So, whatever the topics which we discussed even previously in our home task, just revise it and keep it in your mind. That will be helpful for your YouTube quiz competition. So here we go. Home task number 31, India's superlatives. So India's superlatives is the topic of GK which I am going to showcase the video right now, where you are going to have a detailed explanation of India's superlatives. So here we go.
Superlatives means largest, longest, highest, biggest and oldest in India. We will be discussing each of these items along with additional details. So let's get started. Largest desert in India. The answer is Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It covers an area of 2 lakh square kilometers and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 17th largest desert. Highest civilian award. The answer is Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna was instituted on 2nd January 1954. It is conferred in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex. Highest gallantry award. The answer is Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded by the President of India for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. The medal of the Paramveer Chakra was designed by Savitri Khanolkar. India's highest airport. The answer is Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh. It is located at the height of 3256 meters above mean sea level. It is the 22nd highest commercial airport in the world. Named after 19th Kushok Bakula Rinpoche, an Indian statesman and monk whose Pittuk monastery is in direct vicinity to the airfield. Longest beach in India. The answer is Marina Beach, Chennai. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, along the Bay of Bengal. It is 6 km long. Largest botanical garden in India. Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden, Kolkata, West Bengal. Previously, it was known as Indian Botanic Garden. It has a total collection of over 12,000 plant specimens and is spread over an area of 109 hectares. It is under Botanical Survey of India of Ministry of Environment and Forests under Government of India. Largest rock-cut Hindu temple. Excuse me. It is the Kailasa temple at the Ellora caves in Maharashtra. The Kailasa temple is the largest of the 34 Buddhist, Jain and Hindu cave temples and monasteries known collectively as the Ellora caves. Most of the excavation of the temple is generally attributed to the 8th century Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. Largest Gurudwara in India. The answer is Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. It is the holiest Gurudwara and the most important pilgrimage site of Sikhism. The temple is built around a man-made pool that was completed by Guru Ram Das in 1577. Guru Arjan, the fifth Guru of Sikhism, requested Sai Mir Mia Muhammad a Muslim Pir of Lahore, to lay its foundation stone in 1589. Largest mosque in India? The answer is Jama Masjid, Delhi. This mosque was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1650 and 1656. The courtyard of this mosque can accommodate more than 25,000 people. Highest dam in India? The answer is Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-filled embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam withholds a reservoir for irrigation, municipal water supply, and the generation of 1000 megawatts of hydroelectricity. Longest national highway of India? The answer is National Highway 44. It begins from Srinagar and terminates in Kanyakumari, covering over a distance of 3745 kilometers. It passes through the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as well as the states of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. State with longest coastline? The answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1600 kilometers. Longest railway platform in India? The answer is Gorakhpur Junction Railway Station in Uttar Pradesh. On 6th October 2013, Gorakhpur became the world's longest railway platform with a stretch of around 1.35 kilometers. Gorakhpur Junction Railway Station is directly connected by all regions of India and has many long route trains originating and ending at the station. Longest river bridge in India? The answer is Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Dhula Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, is a beam bridge connecting the northeast states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge has been built over Lohit River, which is a tributary of Brahmaputra River and is 9.15 kilometers long. Longest canal in India? The answer is Indira Gandhi Canal. It was previously known as Rajasthan Canal. It is fed from the Satluj, Beas and Ravi tributaries of the Indus River. The canal consists of the Rajasthan feeder canal with the first 167 kilometers in Punjab and Haryana state and a further 37 kilometers in Rajasthan, followed by 445 kilometers of the Rajasthan main canal. Tallest statue in India? The answer is Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the statue of Indian statesman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and is located on a river island called Sadhu Bait facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam on River Narmada in Kevadia Colony, Narmada District, Gujarat. It is 182 meters tall and is currently the tallest statue not just in India but in the world. Largest river island in India? The answer is Majuli Island. Majuli is a river island in the Brahmaputra River, Assam. Majuli is currently listed as the world's largest river island in the Guinness Book of World Records. Oldest zoological park in India? It is Zoological Garden, Alipur in West Bengal. It is also informally called the Alipur Zoo or Kolkata Zoo. It has been open as a zoo since 1876 and is spread across an area of 18 hectares. Biggest cattle fair in India? The answer is Sonepur Cattle Fair. Sonepur Cattle Fair is held in the month of November-December in Sonepur, Bihar. It is also known as Harihar Kshetra Mela. It is not just the biggest cattle fair in India but also in Asia. Longest sea bridge in India? The answer is Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai. Officially it is known as the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. This is 5.6 km long bridge that links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in South Mumbai.
That was a very detailed and long explanation, right? So just keep all the knowledge safe in your brain and use whenever you got an opportunity. Gather lot of GK questions and answers, learn more than this, and participate well in the YouTube GK live quiz competition. Thank you. Have a great day.